Bright indirect light. What on earth does that actually mean? Let's clear it up. Basically, bright indirect light means your plant gets plenty of daylight, but not harsh sun rays right on its leaves. Direct sun can actually burn or scorch the leaves and flowers, turning them brown. So, where's the best spot? Try a bright window with a sheer curtain or blind to filter the sun, or place your plant a few feet back from a sunny window. You want the room bright enough to read a book without a lamp, but no strong midday sun blasting the plant. Good spots are near an east-facing window for gentle morning sun, next to a bright window with a sheer blind, or just back from a sunny south or west window. Many popular houseplants, like anthuriums and orchids, love bright indirect light because it's just like the dappled sunlight under trees in nature. So give your plants the light and water they love, and they'll thank you for it. Happy growing with Rowan's Secret Garden.